Mobile welding.
We've got enough hose.
So I have a new welding machine and I can't carry on lugging it around the workshop like that. So today's job is to make a custom welding trolley for the machine. So the first job is to head over to the Mitre chop saw by Evolution to cut these bits of angle iron. It makes a really nice job at the corners. And then here it is, the MIG 181 from R-tech Welding. Fire it up to that digital display and get going welding together the angle iron to make the frame of our trolley. With that done, time to go over to the ring roller and make a ring out of steel. Now the idea of this is it's going to be a rack for the gas bottle to sit on the back of the machine. What I'm hoping to achieve here is to not have any chains or ropes or anything to hold the gas bottle on the back and for it to just drop straight in. So that makes it a lot quicker to change the bottle or to take it off when you're trying to lift it in the back of the car or the van or whatever. So here we are on the bench just mocking it up, having a look how it might be. So I've gone for having it vertical on the back, that's best for the gas. I did wonder about having it 45 degrees underneath to keep the overall size down. I really want this trolley to be as compact as possible so I can wheel it up the ramp into the back of the van and it tuck in out the way, not take up any room, so that I can really use this machine not only in the workshop but as a mobile welder as well. So here's the current setup. It's okay, but look how much more compact my new trolley will be. So I went scrounging up on the shelves and I found these casters, so they got put on before you could say hey presto. And then it was time to swap the machine off my AC/DC TIG trolley onto my new trolley. And my big thing with welders is having all the cables and all the hoses tucked away. So I went over to the press and folded up some nice little hooks. So they all wrap around there, so everything has its place and is tidy. And there's a space at the bottom to keep bits and pieces and the clamps. There it is painted. What do we think? As you can see, the overall size is pretty compact. So I'm going to put a shelf or possibly a drawer underneath for all the pliers and extra cables and things, but pretty happy with it. Let's see how it goes.